Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you two ways to combine multiple rows into a single cell in Excel. One method uses no formula, and the other uses the text join function. Method 1. Without a formula. First, widen the column so it's big enough to fit all the combined text. Select the cells you want to merge into one. Go to the Home tab, click the Fill button, then choose Justify. Excel combines the values into a single cell, separated by spaces. Method 2. With a formula. In Excel 365, you can use text join. Formula structure. Equals text join. Delimiter. Ignore empty. Range. Delimiter. The separator between items in speech marks. For example, quotation marks for a space. Ignore underscore empty arrow type true, so Excel skips blank cells. Range. Select the cells you want to combine. So the formula looks like this. Equals text join space. True A1 to A5. Press Enter, and all values appear in one cell, separated by spaces. If you want commas as well, update the delimiter to open bracket, comma, space, close bracket. That gives you values separated by a comma and space. And that's it. Two quick ways to combine rows into a single cell. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.